Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with my daily 9 a.m. video. Obviously today's Wednesday morning. Crazy stuff in the market happened yesterday. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. I mean, it's something I make daily videos, really with recent news content. I'm switching my channel up a little bit. I'm gonna make it a little more relevant day to day, just with current news that relates to the market and like a position I hold basically. So I'm gonna try to make my content a little better and a little more knowledge in general, just so you get a feel of the whole market. So if you're not in a particular stock I'm talking about, it kind of gives you an idea on what my thoughts are in the market in general. To feed off that, I'm gonna probably do a 30-minute 9 p.m. Eastern time live stream. I've never done a live stream in my life, so I'm gonna try. I'm probably gonna not be the best with like the editing and all that, but I'd be happy to answer questions you guys have, or stocks, or what my thoughts are on something, like kind of on the fly. So I'm gonna try it out. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and I just won't do it anymore. But with that said, I want to talk about Galactic today. Ticker is SPACE. I've been in this stock for over a year at this point. So this is one of my SPAC stocks back in the day that I really do believe in space, and I really do believe there is a market for it, and there's people that want to go, and they'll pay basically any amount. Obviously, in time with technology, they could use it for like, I think they could use it like to travel from the United States to Europe. Like, why would you need a plane when you could take a shuttle, So just big picture. I'm talking decades down the road, but I just wanted to, be a part of it and obviously own shares in it. So I do. It's a very small percentage of my portfolio, but some crazy stuff happened yesterday. There was a 9% move yesterday, not today. I wrote today by accident, but anyways, yesterday there was a 9% move. So crazy green day. I was literally trying to like see what it was, and I couldn't find any like massive news for a 9% swing. I don't know if you have like a short squeeze going on, or Wall Street Bets has a hold of it or something like that. I'm not too sure. I couldn't really find any relevant news to why it would go up that much. Crazy thing is, 1 month ago, this stock was at $15 a share, and I was actually making videos about it. I was actually buying. I haven't made a video in the past 7 to 10 days in buying, because I really haven't been buying anything. The market's kind of been going green, or maybe like a little red. Just being patient. I mean, the good thing is when you are a long-term investor, which is what I am, you can be patient. Time's on your side. So if there's not a big correction, or your positions are mainly built out, or at least halfway built out, there's no rush, so you just wait. So that's kind of the approach I take when I'm building my portfolio. But yeah, a month ago it was $15. The one mistake I did, I was buying a lot of Corsair Gaming, a lot of Tattoo Chef, a lot of Planet 13, and a lot of True Leaf. So there were 4 stocks that I was really buying actively the past couple months when the market really took a little bit of a correction. However, I was making videos about this stock sub $18. I was sitting there for a while, and I went to 15. I'm like, man, I should buy some of this, but it was like, I don't want to build this position too big. But I really regret doing it, because now it's sitting at, I didn't even look. What's it sitting at now? I just had it up. Hold on 1 second. So it's sitting at $39.39 now. So basically, if you bought a month ago, you would have over 2 extra money. That's crazy. So that just tells you, like, my cost base is $21.16 in this stock, and I didn't add anything this year to it. But, a lot of people, I think, when they saw the shuttle delays and all that stuff, it made people scared. They ran out of stock. They kind of, that's really a mindset you got to kick. So I didn't sell it. I didn't do anything. The only thing I really should have did, but I was buying elsewhere, I should have averaged cost down a little bit, but I really did like other stocks more. So that's why I didn't personally. But this is my cost base, so I'm up a good amount right now, being the fact that it's at $39.39 right now. So it's just this is a great example of why if you really believe in companies long term, if they go through volatility, which they will, obviously, you always, like, unless the fundamentals have changed in a company, which they haven't, don't sell. So that's my 2 cents on this whole situation. But that was pretty cool today. 9% move, biggest mover in my account. So news I wrote today, but I mean yesterday. So the Fed spoke about, inflation and all that stuff, and where, they were answering questions. And I saw some key points in the whole press conference. Jerome Powell did say jobs will lag. Obviously with unemployment, people may be wanting to move to remote work. People may be wanting to change careers. people that want to really weigh their options and see where they want to go as far as a career. They might take your time or shop around, get the best hourly rate or salary or, you know, whatever industry they want to get in. So he was saying jobs will lag. I totally agree with him there. I think people are going to take their time, especially because unemployment is still being shelled out, and, you know, the party in power right now said they might extend unemployment. So I think a lot of people aren't looking for jobs right now because, one, they're still getting unemployment, and other things, they can probably do side jobs and stuff like that. Also, you know, a lot of, like, if they extend it to the end of the year or to the fall, I think it's going to lag jobs even more. So really, I think that was a very appropriate answer. Another one is people, you know, some people are really scared of COVID. Like that's a fact. So if, you know, some people are hesitant to get in the workforce or be in public or something like that still, I mean, that's a problem, you know, that they're not going to get jobs. So that's an issue. I do think because schools are opening back up, you know, the workforce will come back in September because, you know, a lot of kids will go back to school and then they'll have time to go back to work. So I do think Jerome Powell did say September, I believe, in his press conference, and I do agree with that 100%. I think the numbers are really going to drop significantly, regardless if there's unemployment or not, in September, because people are going to want to get back to work because they don't have to take care of their kids or do e-learning anymore. He also said the level of spending right now is unsustainable. I totally agree with that statement too. So that's why, you know, you see all these companies destroying earnings. If you look at the month-to-month data with spending, it's slowly decreasing every month. So you're going to continue to see that. I personally don't think unemployment or stimulus is going to get sent out again, especially with all, you know, with the vaccine out, cases going down, people going outside more in general. It's just, but there's pent up demand to spend. And what is going on right now is unsustainable. Totally 100% agree. However, the market was very rocky all day. It started out red, was like even red, and then after the press conference and during it, the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P 500 all finished green yesterday. So that's, you know, the market took the news well, and it's kind of, there wasn't really any groundbreaking news. Like, everyone kind of knew all this information. So there's not really any, there's just no groundbreaking news in that. So that's good though, because you know, the market already priced in what they said. They're going to raise interest rates a little quicker. So that was all priced in a couple of weeks ago, and that was talked about. So again, you know, guys, if you like this, like, subscribe, comment below. I'm trying to get to 500 subs by the end of this month. And again, I'm going to try to do 30-minute live streams at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So if you're around or just hanging out, you know, check it out. If you got any questions or want to ask me something or want me to look at something, you know, I'd be happy to do that, and I will try my best with the editing skills. I'll probably learn as I go if it works out. So that's all I got. Till tomorrow. Peace.